Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. In this video, we will find out the Fourier transform of sine wave. So we know how a sine wave looks like. So it looks like this. This is, wait, this does not look good. So here it is like this. So this is sine omega naught t. And we know how a sine can be expressed in its exponential form, that is sine omega naught t is equal to e to the power j omega naught t minus e to the power minus j omega naught t by 2j. So now we know this Fourier transform of sine omega naught t can be expressed as what? Fourier transform of this 1 by 2 j is a constant and can be brought out. This is e to the power j omega naught t minus e to the power minus j omega naught t. So this can be given as Fourier transform of e to the power j omega naught t minus Fourier transform of e to the power minus omega naught t. So by using the frequency shifting property, we know when in time domain my signal is multiplied with this thing j omega naught t, then it is given by 1 by 2j. This is 2 pi delta of omega minus omega naught. So in frequency domain, my frequency gets shifted by omega naught. It is having an impulse nature at minus omega naught, and here here similarly it is 2 pi impulse function of omega plus omega naught. So it is having an impulse nature at omega naught. So the magnitude, yeah, so this all two will get cancelled. So this j, if brought to the numerator, then it will become minus j, pi also taken common, and here it will be omega or minus omega naught minus delta of omega plus omega naught. So this is my Fourier transform of sine omega naught t. So the magnitude spectrum will look like this. If we use, if we take mod of x of omega, that is sine omega naught t, it is having a value, impulse value at minus omega naught, that is equal to pi, and here also at omega naught it is having a value pi, because we are taking a modulus of this, so j will become j and minus sign will get disappeared, and the phase spectrum, so this is what imaginary function. So the space spectrum is, how to calculate, is minus tan or inverse of imaginary part by real part. So we have some imaginary part but real part is 0. So this is nothing but equal to minus tan inverse of infinity. So if minus infinity is tan inverse of minus infinity is pi by 2. So here it is nothing but equal to minus pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 at omega equal to omega naught, and at the minus side it will be plus pi by 2, because omega naught value is, the imaginary part value is this thing at minus omega naught. So minus minus will become plus here. So at minus omega naught it is having a value plus pi by 2. So and this is minus omega naught, and this is omega naught has a value of minus pi by 2. This is omega naught. So this is my phase spectrum at x of omega. So this is how we calculate the value of the Fourier transform of our sine function, its magnitude spectrum and its phase spectrum. So I hope you have understood the concept well, and I close my lecture video here, and thank you.